Well, we're here and Grace is very upset because she didn't get... I took the hamburgers off. They were done. And I put them in a full container. I just took them off. So I wanted to show you the brisket right now. The brisket's only been on for a little while. A couple hours. Before I spray it down. I got it set at 230. I dropped the temp down just a little bit. So, figured it never hurts to hit it with a little more apple juice. And let it soak. A little more smoke. Got it down to 230. I'm going to drop it down to 5 degrees. So this way it's good. Peppers. Don't know where I'm going to put them. I think I'll set them back up on top. So I've been picking these peppers, guys. Trying to smoke them off as well. Trying to keep the bugs off of them. As long as they're sitting right here on top of the smoker. Right next to the smoke. I don't want some meat drippings on the peppers. Because that's not what I want. So I have a little heat there. And here's this burn off ends. Just gonna keep the heat right there on them. And this keeps the bugs off. So anyway, when you guys smoking, get you one of these things. These thermal pops, they seem to work pretty good for your testing your temperatures. And then get you a decent one of these. Well, this is leaking apple juice out the backside. You know, you can find some that are good. Some are just worthless. This was kind of a worthless one. But I bought it at the store. The only thing they had. So, you know. And you got a spatula. I kind of put wrap everything. I pretty much cook off the tailgate, guys. I'm a redneck, you know. But anyway, I'm going to end up probably working today. Do a little bit of stuff for Grace. Grace, what do you think? I think she wants to go play rubber duck. You want to play rubber duck, girl? Rubber duck? You want the rubber duck? You want to retrieve? I think she does. So, ouch. She don't want that. So, I got a bag over here. Easy, Grace. Oh, Grace, you stepped all over in it. Oh, my God. She stepped in poo. She's so excited. So, I got these rubber bags. These are Doikin ducks. There's a duck in here. There's a goose in there. And some wings. And I just throw them out for her to go get them. Throw them underhanded. They bounce pretty good down there. About 20-30 yards out. But anyway, I'm going to let her go. Let her run. I'll talk to you later. These peppers, guys, them are coming on pretty good. I think they'll make some pretty good chilies. Sorry about Grace talking too much. I better let you go.